IPT, established in 1982, is a modern educational endeavor and has the finest infrastructure, expert teaching, research and development initiatives, and excellent placement record. The vibrant, eco-friendly campus.
Institute of Pharmacy Technology Salepur. Established in 1982, our founder chairman Justice Jugal Kishore Mahanti. This institution is a premier pharmacy institution in Eastern India, offering diploma in pharmacy, bachelor in pharmacy, master in pharmacy, and also PhD in pharmacy. This institution, having highest number of PhD faculties, is a quality-based institution which is directly certified by our ISO and also accredited by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi.
This institution, approved by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi, and also affiliated by the Department of Information Technologies, Rourkela, and Associated Board of Pharmacy, Nation.
Hashtag Bing IPTN.
Our institute also offering DMLT course. The vision and mission of the IPT is to provide quality knowledge to the students to make them skillful so that any point of life they can't bend down their head for any moment.
Discipline is the bridge between the goal and accomplishment. In a professional life like pharmacy, the student should be simple and disciplined in manner. We have a ragging-free campus with a peaceful environment. Hashtag Bing IPTN.
Pharmacy, it's not only a subject to study or not to just look after it. In this profession, the candidate requires knowledge about human, plants, and animal health and science.
So the admission of pharmacy in IPT is done under PCI guidelines. The candidate selection is done in the basis of rank in OJE, JEE, and GPAT. Students coming from different regions from all over India, so the teaching provided in common languages. Classroom is the only place where a student spends most of the time. IPT has the best and well-maintained classrooms. It is neat and clean. All of them are monitoring under CCTV surveillance. In the digital space of world, we have smart classrooms.
The unique thing about IPT is our faculties motivate PG students for their better future in the modern system of world. Comparing to the other college, IPT has finest environment for post-graduation research study. Hashtag Bing IPTN.
IPT grooms their students in a vibrant, dynamic atmosphere so that they can face any moment due to changing global pharma market.
This department is established in the year of 2012 with an intake of 15 students. This department is also equipped with a state-of-art facilities to carry out all types of formulations, including novel formulations. We have 10 experienced faculties out of 9 having doctoral degree.
Labs are the most essential in a practical life of any student. A student has to give his theoretical knowledge and patience in a laboratory. Beginning from the Civics lab, we have pharmacology, microbiology, pharmacognosy, analysis, chemistry lab.
Here I am with a tablet punching machine. From the basic like evaluation of powder to make it into a tablet form, the laboratory provides me all the features. Thanks to IPT for giving me almost all the facilities. Hashtag Bing IPTN.
Bank with ATM facility and clearinghouse is located inside the campus for easy monetary transactions.
The Department of Pharmacochemistry is one of the core departments of the profession of pharmacy. Our MPharm course in pharmacochemistry started in the year 2004 with an intake capacity of 8 and it was subsequently enhanced. The department has 6 PhD faculties. The department has various achievements to its credit like the Spices project of AICT, the MSR of MHRD, the EDC cell of AICT, and the Unnat Bharat program. Hashtag being IPTN.
Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis has well-equipped laboratories with very good sophisticated instruments like HPLC, IR spectrophotometer, flame photometer, UV spectrophotometer, which provides a very good platform for students of BPharm, MPharm and PhD scholars for their research work. IPT provides girls' hostel facility within the campus with 24-hour security and power backup. Hashtag being IPTN.
A separate boys' hostel is provided with 24-hour power backup and under CCTV surveillance.
Institute is having a well-maintained healthcare within the campus for immediate medical help to students.
Pharmacology department mainly focuses on the research activities by using animal models required in industrial setup. Besides pharmacology, we impart educations regarding anatomy and physiology with charts, models and different types of tests. Hashtag being IPTN.
IPT is registered and maintained as per the guideline of Ministry of Animal Welfare, New Delhi.
IPT has a well-equipped pharmacognosy laboratory which is involved in imparting basic and research skill to UG and PG students. The laboratory gives exposure to UG and PG students for the instrument like projection microscope, binocular microscope, microcentrifuge, vacuum evaporator, etc., which are very much needed for herbal drug evaluation and herbal formulation standardization. Pharmacognosy department chartered all facilities to the student to cope with the industrial requirements needed for today's world. Hashtag being IPTN.
An excellent herbal garden with more than 100 varieties of medicinal plants has been maintained for the academic and research purposes.
Here in the microbiology lab, we are nurturing our students on basic knowledge of microbiology involving different instruments like laminar airflow, autoclaves, BOD incubator and other instruments which are mostly useful. MPharm and BPharm students carry out their dissertation research work on the field of antimicrobial studies and other activities of microorganisms in this laboratory. The knowledge from microbiology laboratory will help the students in their future endeavor in research and in industry. Hashtag being IPTN.
IPT provides starting from parking area, garden, drinking water for staff and student purposes. The fire extinguisher are installed in the classroom and laboratory section for the safety purposes. The biometric scanner are implemented in the whole campus for identification purpose.
Canteen and chemical house is located under the premises. A big auditorium hall is provided for seminars and student purposes.
In MPharm, you have to put all your knowledge in your project. Projects that are done in laboratory, which is one of the best part of IPT. This is well equipped, easy to operate and maintain. In my 6-year studying experience, I can proudly say that IPT is the finest institute for pharmacy. Hashtag being IPTN.
The institute provides Wi-Fi facilities and 24-hour power backup.
Hi. Computer was born to solve the problem that did not exist before. IPT provides us a lab of computer which attracts students to get their valuable time to get software knowledge regarding their study and course. Hashtag being IPTN.
college provides the students a huge ocean of knowledge called library. Our library gives the facilities like reading room, books reading graduation level pharmacy and post-graduation pharmacy and many more. Here we maintain the most efficient thing, that is discipline.
Library stores the energy that fuels the imagination. A library is a collection of sources of information. IPT has a library which provides journals, e-journals, books, e-books, newspapers and etc. Hashtag being IPTian.
Institute of Pharmacy and Technology Salepur is one of the most pioneer institute of Eastern Orissa. Our Government of India, Department of Health and Government of Orissa shown the keen interest to form Youth Red Cross and Red Ribbon Club at every institute to aware the common public related to health and hygiene. As a corporate social responsibility, our volunteers used to perform various activities like International Women's Day, National Youth Day, Cancer and Diabetes Awareness Program, Voluntary Blood Donation Camp, Free Health Checkup Camp and Eye Camp, Plantation Program, Vigilance Awareness Week, COVID-19 Awareness Program and Mask and Sanitizer distribution in our campus premises. Hashtag being IPTian.
Health is wealth, not only in study, but also IPT focus on students' well health. Sports has been arranged every year like cricket, football, badminton, volleyball, chess, carom and many more. Matches make teams and teams perform which results in trophies and happiness for IPTians. Excitement level of students on the sports day is very high.
The only way to prove we are a good sportsman is to lose. We lose. We hate that pain. And yes, we made it as a state level inter-college champion. We can proudly say we are the champion. Hashtag being IPTian.
Event consists of various competition and one night of celebrity shows. We can try to sum up initiation as a 2 days fest, full of excitement, entertainment and interest. It marks that time of the year which allows the students to follow their dreams with all their hearts open mind and let the air fascinate them.
IPT not only provides us with educational skills but it also provides new cultural activities through which students can showcase their talent. It consists of a weekly competition in every varieties of fields.
As an examination in charge, I am taking care of all the examination related activities in the campus. All of our IPT students are appearing the examination confidently and completing their courses successfully. All we know that all the examination and grades are temporary, but we know that the education is permanent. Hashtag being IPTian.
Institute of Pharmacy and Technology Salepur has training and placement cell, which consists 6 number of senior faculty, vice principal. The member of training and placement cell are working hard for the overall development of the student, so student can face the interview confidently. Several pharmaceutical industries are coming for campus interview of our students on a regular basis every year. Like Sun Pharmaceuticals, Macleod Pharmaceuticals, Foreign Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Reddy, Novartis, Sandoz, Pfizer, Micro and Wipro, etc. 90% of the students are placed to the campus interview by the training and placement cell. The alumni of IPT and all staff members are helping towards the training and placement cell for organizing seminar, soft skill development program and campus drive for the future prospect of the students. Hashtag being IPT.
Expectation brings the happiness, but when responsibility comes, we all have to face the reality. Though it's been an endless journey, but it shows deep emotions between all of us. Thanks to IPT for giving us unforgettable memories.